Yo. This is the mat lying flat on the ground, nice and flush, without the ends curling up, which is another big irritation with many mats. Do you agree? Now let's take a closer look at the mat, specifically the underside of the mat. If you notice, the underside is pretty rough. It's got these small protrusions. What this does is gives the mat a solid grip on most of the surfaces. If the mat doesn't grip the ground well, you know what happens. It slips all over the place when we jump, which is a big irritation. The second point is the thickness of this mat. This is around 8 millimeters thick, I think, and it's got the right level of softness, which is great for barefoot jumping.